Welcome to our DataBricks tutorial. In this tutorial, you are going to learn how can you apply data cleansing techniques in your data by using PySpark in DataBricks. So guys, please stay tuned with this video and have a lot of fun. For any organization, data cleansing is a fundamental aspect of data engineering that significantly impacts the quality, efficiency, and effectiveness of data utilization. The data cleansing process is ensuring data is accurate, consistent, and compliant. You can say data cleansing lays the foundation for robust data analytics and reliable decision making. So in this example, we are using DataBricks Community Edition, which is free services from the DataBricks side. If you want to learn and you want to upgrade your skills, then you can utilize this web-based feature. So first of all, we are going to use some sample data. In this sample data, we have to clean one column, that is full name. In this column, you will see that we have some unwanted characters in this column. So I have already a set of code, so I am going to utilize this code as well. Here you can see we are importing some PySpark libraries like Spark session to create or get our Spark session. Then we are calling sql.functions and then importing call reg exp replace modules. Then in the next row we are creating or getting a Spark session by using a local variable called Spark. Then we have some sample data. In this sample data we have three columns like full name, country, age. So if you see this data, full name, so in James underscore Smith Michael colon Rose, it seems like that it is the combination of first name and the last name. They have separated first name and last name with some specific characters, but it is inconsistent across the data. Like in the next row or next data, you can see Michael colon Rose, Robert @ Williams, Maria has Jones, Ryan dash Arjun, Jane 1 Brown. So we have to remove these unwanted characters. So in the next row you can see here we are loading this data in our data frame. Now we are going to execute this code. Now we are going to print the schema df dot print the schema. Then you can see here schema of this data. So full name, country, age, and you can see their schema as well. The next row we are going to check how many rows we have, total number of records. Now we are going to display this data df dot show. For this demo we are going to create a new column, that is cleansing full name. Then we are applying our reg exp underscore replace function and we are passing three values. First is our column name in which you want to apply it, then the condition. So in this condition we are choosing only alpha characters. Except the alpha characters we are going to remove everything. Then we are passing space to get the first name and last name. Then we are going to run this code. So here You can see we are able to remove the unwanted character from the full name column, and you can see here it is not too much challenging to remove unwanted characters from your column or from your string. Please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.